Hi there, guys, and good evening to each every one of you. You know what? This man walking with, how do you call that thing? For those who can't walk, is really such a liar one. He been pretending that he can't able to walk until I found out 3 times for now that he is walking. For him to ask for alms, for sympathy, he will make a lie. Good thing that I didn't give him such money those times that I met him. So be aware for this man when you see him here in Cubao. Such a liar.